Apologies to my arcade subscribers, but today will be a domestic appliance repair. There will be some exciting pinball and arcade related videos next week, but today I'll be fixing a washing machine door. Now, what's happened is the door has fallen off as the hinge has broken. What's happened is there should be two parts sticking out here and they've actually broken off. So I put the washing machine part number and door hinge into Google and I found a company called eSpares, and they sent me this hinge. Now I'm going to unwrap this. Okay, let's have a look if it actually looks like it's going to fit. Looks like a pretty close match. Let's just remove the old one. Oh, drop the screws. Old one does not want to come off. Well, I'm not having it. Where's my hammer? Oh, give that a bit of a wipe. Looks like dust collects in there. There we go. Where's the screwdriver gone? Yep. Holes line up. I need to take the door apart first and fit it to the door before fitting the hinge to the washer. Okay, time to take the door apart. Okay, how does this open? Don't think this is a job for the hammer. Now let's get a screwdriver. Here we go. Right, these are the hinge bearings with bits of broken metal in. So I need to clean these up and see if I can get these bits of metal out. These are the bits that are broken off. So I'll I'll sort those out now. Okay, what I'm going to do is screw a screw into this. Fortunately it's hollow. Oh, there we go. Pull that out. Take that out. So that's the broken parts there. This little plastic bit needs to go back into the hinge, like so. And we'll just quickly do the other one. Oh, this one's slightly trickier. I'll have to get a screwdriver and try and get that one out. I reckon it'll be easier to assemble this way up. I'll just go. That goes like that. That one goes like that. And the door hinge. Right, so that should go in there. Okay, that looks alright. To work out. Reassemble this bit, which will be fun. Okay. And that goes that way. Okay. So just out. Okay, so install the door catch screws first, and then the hinge side. Job done.